Hello, how are you? Family of Telemathematics. Welcome to a new video of our channel. So, let's get started. To begin with, we will mention that 7-digit numbers are written and read from left to right. On the other hand, we have that in the following number. Based on the place value, the first digit on the right corresponds to the units. The second digit corresponds to the tens. The third digit corresponds to the hundreds. The fourth digit corresponds to the thousands. The fifth digit corresponds to the tens of thousands. The sixth digit corresponds to the hundreds of thousands. And the seventh digit corresponds to the millions. Taking these elements into account, the question is, how do you read a 7-digit number? To describe the process, we will use the following number as an example. Then, we will begin by separating, from right to left, the first 3 digits that correspond to the units group. We continue by separating the next 3 digits that correspond to the thousands group, and finally, the next group that corresponds to the millions. Once this step is complete, we proceed to read the number, remembering that this is done from left to right. Then, the first group is read as 2, and we add the word millions. The next 3 numbers are read as 538, and we add the word thousand. Finally, the next 3 numbers are read as 469. Then, the complete reading would be 2,538,469. And in this way, the reading process is complete. Let's look at another example. Similarly, we begin by separating the first 3 digits from right to left. We continue by separating the next 3 digits, and finally, the next group. Then, the first group is read as 6, and we add the word millions. The next 3 numbers are read as 497, and we add the word thousand. Finally, the next 3 numbers are read as 150. Then the final reading would be 6,497,150. Easy, right? Very good. We continue with the writing process, and you will find it much easier. We have the reading of the next number, and we will remember that writing is also done from left to right. So, we start by writing the number corresponding to the word that comes before the word millions. We continue writing the number corresponding to the words that come between the words millions and thousand. And we finish by writing the number corresponding to the words that come after the word thousand. And in this way, the writing process is complete. Let's look at another example. We start by writing the number corresponding to the word that comes before the word millions. We continue writing the number corresponding to the words between the words million and thousand. And we finish by writing the number corresponding to the words after the word thousand. Super easy, right? Alright, I hope you have understood the topic of reading and writing 7-digit numbers, but if you have any questions, review the material again or let us know so we can help you.
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and to activate notifications so you can see the new topics that we will be releasing, to leave us your comments, and to share it with your friends. Until the next video.